गुड इवनिंग, वेलकम, स्वागत है आप सबका एक बार फिर आपके अपने शो आपकी तारीफ में। मोहन कपूर आपका स्वागत करता है और वादा करता है कि आज एक और खूबसूरत शाम है सिर्फ आपके नाम। दोस्तों, आज के हमारे तीन हस्ती, इन तीनों में एक चीज कॉमन है और वो ये है कि वो तीनों एक ही प्रोजेक्ट से जुड़े हुए हैं। आप शायद समझ नहीं रहे मैं क्या कह रहा हूं, लेकिन जैसे आप इनसे मिलते जाएंगे आप समझ जाएंगे कि मैं क्या कह रहा हूं। आइए आज के हमारे पहले हस्ती से मिलते हैं। खूबसूरत, कमसिन, लेकिन शी इज रेयरिंग टू गो। प्लीज वेलकम रिंकी खन्ना। हाय रिंकी, वेलकम टू द शो। आइए रिंकी, आपने अपने बिजी शेड्यूल से हमारे लिए जो समय निकाला इसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया प्रोडक्शन टीम की तरफ से और मोहन कपूर की तरफ से। रिंकी, यू आर द डॉटर ऑफ टू वेरी फेमस स्टार्स, राजेश खन्ना एंड डिम्पल कपाड़िया, एंड अब आप अपना फिल्म डेब्यू करने जा रही हैं, फिल्म प्यार में कभी कभी के साथ। इससे पहले आप थिएटर से जुड़ी हुई थी, थिएटर के बारे में कुछ बताएंगी? हाउ डिड यू गेट इनटू थिएटर? आई मीन, has anybody in your family been in theatre before?
Wow, my father has been in theatre.
Yeah.
He's done several number of plays.
Right.
In the 70s or something.
So was that the reason why you got into theatre first?
Not really. After I graduated, I really had to make a decision as to what I wanted to do. And so for me, I really wanted to decide whether I wanted to act or not. And the first thing was whether I'd enjoy it or not. So that's why I started with theatre.
English theatre या Hindi theatre?
Both. I've done two plays, and I did an English play and a Hindi play with Satyadev Dubey.
आपकी बड़ी बहन टीना, जो हमारे दर्शक उन्हें ट्विंकल के नाम से जानती है, उनका लॉन्च बहुत बड़े ढंग से किया गया। आपकी जो फिल्म है इंशाल्लाह इसकी भी लॉन्च अच्छी होगी, लेकिन you're coming in a relatively new sphere. I mean, it's a very young project with a very young director, young team. पूरी जो टीम है बहुत यंग है, except for the man playing your father, which is me. हाँ, so how come you didn't plan a big launch?
No, for me when this movie came along, I did think about it. I mean, it did take a month or something to think about it, but everything just seemed right, and it didn't matter whether there was anyone big making the movie or not, because I don't think I would base my decision on that. I would base my decision on something which
is right,
looked good, and it meant something, and I believed in the movie, whether it was, by newcomers producing it and directing it or whatever. It didn't matter. But I just went for something that I believed in.
आपके करियर की डिसीजंस में आपके माता पिता कितना एडवाइस देते हैं आपको?
None at all as yet.
कुछ भी नहीं?
No,
क्यों?
No. I haven't had a chance to go to them and to ask them for any sort of advice or anything. But I think the day I need to, I know I have very good people to.
But are they the kinds who give advice?
Yeah. If asked.
If asked.
Yeah.
Otherwise, no.
No, or if they think they need to in a particular sort of situation or anything, but not really, no.
आपकी माँ ने, डिम्पल जी ने इतनी बड़ी हिट दी बॉबी में, फिर उनकी शादी हो गई आपके डैडी के साथ, then suddenly she disappeared.
Yeah.
Now, in retrospect, hindsight, do you think उन्होंने जो डिसीजन लिया वो सही था या गलत?
She made her decision, and I think she doesn't regret any. As long as she doesn't, then I'm not.
Yeah. And I guess when you know you're good, what's a couple of years here and there, right?
I guess.
Okay. राजेश खन्ना और डिम्पल कपाड़िया, इनकी बेटी होने के नाते, how does it feel?
It feels very normal. It doesn't feel like it's anything different. I mean, that's the way I've been brought up. That's the way. That's the life
when
that I've had.
When you see people reacting to them and talking about them,
I sometimes don't understand that. I mean, I don't understand it. I mean, in school I didn't understand.
They're huge.
But I didn't understand that. I said, what is this big deal about my parents? Because to me they were just mom and dad, and they were nothing different. I mean, and that's the way I've lived. I've been in boarding school all my life. I came back for a couple of years, and then I went abroad to study. So I've been pretty independent and, sort of out of their shadow. So for me, it's not been that, oh, my parents are like that big
monoliths.
Or anything. Yeah. And I haven't sort of, whatever I have done, I've done it on my steam all along, and not, sort of.
टीना उर्फ ट्विंकल, उनके साथ आपका रिश्ता कैसा है?
Yeah, we're friends more than sisters, and we have our sort of normal fights. People keep asking.
किस बारे में झगड़ते हैं? अगर आप
very silly things.
For example.
Just about the room, and that's it. Because
Don't
we share.
touch my brush.
That sort of thing, yeah.
Yeah.
Really petty.
अच्छा बताइए, इस फिल्म के बारे में, आपके रोल के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे आप?
Okay, it's about this girl, obviously. Her name is Khushi, and she sort of enters this college, and how things change around, and then she faces these sort of situations, and she has to make certain decisions, and how she changes as a person. She starts from somewhere and she ends up somewhere, and basically I just look at it as life for me, because I mean we all go through that. We have situations to encounter and decisions to make, and at the end it changes us, and we sort of form our personality, and it keeps happening.
सिद्धांत के साथ काम करना आपको कैसा लगा? मतलब
It was really cool.
कुछ गड़बड़?
No, not at all. Not at all.
वो बहुत फेमस मॉडल हैं, रह चुके हैं और है
Yeah.
भी, तो हाउ इज इट एक्टिंग विद हिम?
It was really very easy. I mean, I didn't have a hang up with, and none of us did, you know, with each other or anything. We were here for the first time, and we all wanted to give it our best, and we sort of tried to help each other whenever we thought we could or we've seen anything. I mean, other people telling me things, and if I could see something, so it's been really cool, you know.
अगर कल आपको एक रेगुलर सॉन्ग एंड डांस रूटीन दिया जाए, फॉर एग्जांपल सरकाई लो खटिया और समथिंग, हाउ वुड यू फील?
I don't know. First of all, I don't think anybody would see me in that role, so I don't think I would be doing it. But
But what if you're approached? अगर कोई आपसे पूछे कि ये रोल है जी और
oh God,
आपको ये करना
then I would run to my parents. Definitely.
and not come back. अच्छा, एक बात बताइए कि इस फिल्म से आपको क्या उम्मीद है?
I don't know. I don't think too much about what is going to happen, but I know that we've put in our best and we've worked very hard to make a film which matters, and I think it will matter. I mean, we won't go unnoticed for sure.
आपका अपनी माँ के साथ एक बिजनेस है, आप मोमबत्तियाँ कैंडल्स बनाते हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
It was a hobby, my mother's hobby, and turned into a business. So we all sort of put our hands into it, my sister, myself, and obviously mom doing the designing. And now it's taken off, so...
What is the company called?
It's called The Faraway Tree.
The Faraway Tree.
Yeah.
Why Faraway Tree for a candle?
It was just a name that sort of mattered to us. And it was this book, this Enid Blyton book that I read, and it was my favorite book as a child. So... And when we sort of were looking for a name for the candle company, it so happened that I couldn't remember the name of the book. And then suddenly it was, you know, my sister's friends talking about it, and then someone else talking about it, and it just came to us. So it was too much of a coincidence. I mean, that's the kind
On
of
a regular day, एक आम दिन में डिम्पल, ट्विंकल और रिंकी, आप लोग अपना दिन कैसे बिताते हैं जब आपको काम ना हो?
yeah, because otherwise we don't see too much of each
Right.
other. I don't know, sit around. My mom forces me to sit with her and spend some time. No, it's cool. We sit down, we talk, find out about how the candle business is doing, and then we sort of spend our time, Tina and myself, maybe if we want to go out together, we go out, and we read or, you know, that sort of thing, because we like our time.
आपका लॉन्च अभी हो रहा है, होने वाला है, एंड इंशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छे ढंग से होगा। लेकिन when you go out with your sister, जब आप ट्विंकल के साथ बाहर जाती हैं और all the men are salivating over there, or you know, autographs, ये वो, आप क्या करती हैं? आप छू
Just
जाती हैं,
stand.
just move
It's
aside?
my sister's sort of moment, so let her.
How does
sort
she
of
deal
enjoy
with it?
She does her bit, giving her.
Is she
autographs and everything.
hot-tempered? No?
No, not at all.
No?
No, why do you think so?
No, just asking.
Okay, no, she's not.
You're accusing me of accusing you of accusing her. No. So, all in all, you are happy with this project that you're doing.
Yeah, very happy.
Are you confident?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I am.
And where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
Married with 3 kids, definitely.
It's pretty focused. Married with 3 kids
I
in
know.
5 years, so you're gonna get married really soon.
Yeah, very soon.
Is there somebody?
No, gotta find the person.
It's not all that focused yet.
No, not all that focus, but I know where I want to live, what kind of a house I want, names for my kids, everything. Figure it out.
You're not superstitious about figuring it out to such
No,
detail?
not really. No.
No? Okay.
आपका साथ ही हमारी ताकत है। आज ही सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारी ताकत बढ़ाएं।